For question 3, look at the MemberInfo class that has members' name, grad year, and has good standing, a constructor, a public int and get grad year, and a public boolean in good standing methods. And you're also looking at the ClubMembers class that contains an array list of member infos, a method you'll implement in part A, and a method you'll implement in part B. For question 3a, you're writing the ClubMembers method addMembers, which takes 2 parameters. The first parameter is a string array containing the names of the new club members to be added. The second parameter is the graduation year of all the new club members. The method adds the new members to the members list instance variable. These names can be added in any order. All members added initially are in good standing and share the same graduation year, grad year. For the code for 3a, you're writing the addMembers method, where you just loop through every name in the names array, and then you add every member from the list of names to member list. I normally make content teaching you how to code in Python, Java, and JavaScript, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.